Well, obviously to raise money and awareness for renal patients, people suffering from kidney failure. This year we're going to put some money into research, and we're also going to help pay for a system which is going to make things easier for people looking for transplants. That's our two ultimate aims. And obviously we try to support the hospital as much as possible for whatever they need. They tell us every year what they need, and we try to do as best we can to raise the money and awareness. Yeah, we're going to arrive in Nairobi, and we're going to travel down south towards Kilimanjaro, round Kilimanjaro, through what they call the Maasai Steppes, which is a very barren land, down towards Dodoma, the capital. And then we're going to finish up north of Dar es Salaam, which is the old capital of Tanzania.
Dax il-waħda għamilta xada bitqabel. Dejjem kont interessata xina attiv, tifhem nagħmel maratoni hekk u bir-rota dejjem attiv u dejjem xtaqt nagħmilha però ħabba x-xogħol ma stajtx. U mbagħad ġiet l-opportunità 11-il sen ilu u bdejt l-ewwel waħda. Dejjem ngħid tal-aħħar għax meta tkun qed tagħmilha tkun għajjien u sor. Mbagħad ngħid issa daqshekk. Mbagħad jgħaddu ftit ġimgħat tinsa kollox, jgħaddu ftit xhur tara l fuq il-gazzetta bl-interviews u fejn ħajmorru dis-sena u terġa' tinkiteb.